Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error for Oblivion Remastered on the PC. Try not to skip any steps. Okay, if you're on the Steam version of the game, what you can do is you want to right click on the game, find it in your library, go to Properties. You want to disable the Steam overlay while in game. And after that, you want to also make sure that the Steam overlay for NVIDIA or AMD is off as well. That is what is causing this error for many people. Okay, after you have done that, what you want to do, assuming this is going to be the same for Steam and for Xbox, is you want to open up the games folder, go to Files, go to Browse. Once you're here, click on this. Content, Oblivion Remastered, Binaries, WinGDK. If you're on the Steam version, this will be either Windows, Windows 32, Windows 64. But click on this, and you want to find this executable. It might be named a little bit differently, but it'll be something similar to this. You want to right click on this, click on Properties. And from here on the very top, you're going to see something called Compatibility. Click on the Compatibility tab, and there are a couple of things that you want to do. You want to run this game as an administrator. You want to disable full screen optimizations and hit and apply and hit OK. And by the way, if that still isn't working, try running this game in compatibility mode for Windows 8. However, I do not recommend this. Do this only as a final, as a last resort. So hit apply, hit OK, and run the game once again to see if you're still getting this error. One more thing you want to do is try to run this game in DirectX 11. So find this game. If you're on Steam, find your library, right click on it, click on Properties, under Launch Options, type in -DX11 and exit out and launch the game as normally, and see if that fixes this issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.